Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete short videos from YouTube. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to delete YouTube shorts? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are now on youtube.com, and what you want to do is go to your videos. If you see this, the menu on the left-hand corner, it's under history. Just click on that. A new tab will appear, right? And you're going to be brought to your channel posts and choose the the YouTube short that you want to delete. For example, this one. Just click on this like this, and then click on more actions, and then you can click on delete forever, and that will delete your YouTube short. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.